So viewer subscriber, Wagwan. In this update, we have World Dawg at this up Swiss League team. Basically, me see some rumors are grown where people are saying World Dawg at this Swiss League, which me don't think is true. But in this update, me gonna make World Dawg do all of the talking and hear what I have to say, and please give me an honest opinion in the comment section. So channel man, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy, and as always, I could keep this off the right way.
Oh no, catch a rock ya with the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side, sipping any on the rock ya.
Me tell you straight like how it is, dog. You see, my team, bro, over here, we supportive, and we joyful, I run whole heap of joke as ex-gang boy. Yeah. We as ex-gang boy run certain joke, bro. I want to bro. I want to you don't notice how they deal with boy as free gang. They deal with me like we are worse. Deal with me like we are worse. Me no want nobody to tell me if I call nobody. Nobody not tell me if I call nobody, brother. Cause me head hot. Me no want nobody tell me if I call nobody offer, no ear, no live, none of that. Nobody not tell me if I call nobody. Me not call nobody. Me a defend me crew, me a defend. I mean I call and defend me crew behind nobody back. Me a defend my crew who say ex-gang. Me not call nobody for no phone. Me a Swiss League number, me not have Team Bless number. And me a Swiss League not have nothing. So all who are run come over here so and they scream record, you can scream record this. So a story you look for or news you want to carry. You can go carry this. Me a Swiss League not have nothing.
So right there, so World Dawg just clear up the ear. I make everybody know say him and Swiss League is good. Him and Swiss League not have nothing. So the rumors them that's been going around say World Dawg and Swiss League in things, yeah, it clear up right there. So World Dawg and Swiss League is good. So you can drop the rumor there. Is he pre? Yeah man.
Just so ago we a play a buckle match. We not see half a one way over here just a while ago, you know. We not see half a one way over here just a clot while ago. No, 2 years a little thing attack. When you run, come over here. You fuck uno. You fuck uno. You see uno catch all the shit pit uno. Or shit pit uno. When you run, come over here now for scream record. All drunk, all dirty scream record of people. All shit pit uno.
Alright, so basically right there, so World Dawg are this the people them will come over on him page and a screen record, you know what I mean? But the best thing is that me never screen record. I get the video and use the sound off of the video. You know what I mean? But if you don't understand your subscriber, World Dawg basically, as me said before, World Dawg and Swiss League is good. It's just that World Dawg have issues with Swiss League's team. Yeah, World Dawg not like nobody on Swiss League team. And basically it cause an issue. World Dawg basically did a pick up a couple people who him rate, but him not rate nobody on Swiss League team. Them basically fall out. But him and Swiss League still good. Him still saying love Swiss League as a brother. And no matter what, him say him still will never turn him back on Swiss League.
But Swiss League mob them feisty. And then on the manners, I'm gonna rock with them. I'm gonna rock with none of them. As me tell them a manja alone, me rate over that. Manja. Otherwise from them, me no rate none of them over there, so. None of them me no rate. None of them me no rate. None of them, otherwise so manja, none of them me no rate. Me no rate none of them. None of them me no rate. Me can tell you that I'm in a hide and talk. I'm not going in a WhatsApp group and talk with nobody. Or have no FaceTime group and talk about hero. Pussy me no like me. So when Swiss League just say a long time me hear say no like me. So me not really business. So we not really care about you. So me have people who love me like Chevy, Mika, Lottie, me baby mother, me woman, me friend them. You hear that? Me have my people them who love me boy. Me not walk about and beg love boy. You see your Tommy and Munchie them rock with me boy. You see your live them love me boy. You mad? You idiot boy. A long time you don't love me over there and you don't talk truth. The people them love me over here boy. Me not short of love no time. And my people them not give me no fake love. No time. No time. Anytime they around my people them, they make me feel like king. Chevy, anybody, none of them. Anytime me feel they around my people them, they make me feel like king. But let me show you something, people. And this is a real talk, bro. Bro, but watch it live more than one time, bro. And you know what just burned me, bro? What burned me, bro? Swiftly sent come call me. Everybody over here says Swiftly call me, including ex-gang people them. Your son a call you. Your son a call you. Bro, me have a match now. And I always, every time it happen, but uno no see it. But so when the big man just come on the live and say, Swiftly mob them mute me. Me never did have free none I comment them, you know. But it's when the big man attack, brother. Nobody probably know war. But me know, the big man not tell me no lie. She now come on me live and tell me no lie. Not more than the people them go over there and say, Ira call you, and the one big old idiot over there turn off a comment. Pussy me no look up to me as star over Swiftly live. Because you name Swiftly shit over there. But you not have to give me no ratings, because my people them love me, and me not give them shit for them. Me show them love, and them love me. And me love them. And me and them reason and chat. Me no response for no boy. I mean no response boy your gang if your gang rate me. Me love you. And if me no love your gang and you know want love me, that's up to you, Swiftly. But me no like your people them over there, so. Me love you. I'm a rate you. You're my son. Me love you for life. Anything or any play. Kill a boy for you now. Shut a man for you now. Fly go anywhere for you now. Roll with you anywhere now. But me no rate your team, brother. Me no rate your team. They no rate me and they no rate ex-gang. They no rate my team and they no rate ex-gang. Yeah. I'm not really responsible about that.
So, be a subscriber. Basically, that's all I'm going to play off at the live. Yeah, man, just leave it right there, So, World Dawg had a lot to say. And I hope you hear and understand what I say. Because I really want to hear from Uno. When you think about the whole Swiftly team hating and World Dawg, make me know to think about that, because I don't know thing conflict can cause between World Dawg and Swiftly, because I don't know Swiftly have a team, World Dawg also have a team, and basically, as me say, conflict can cause between Swiftly and World Dawg, but as you hear World Dawg say out of mouth, no matter why I'm gonna love Swiftly and his son. You know what I mean? So, big up to World Dawg same way, big up to Swiftly. Hope say them can figure it out at the end of the day. You know what I mean? So if you're a subscriber, I don't know and think about that. Remember, subscribe to 4K Like Energy if you're new. Yeah man, catch you now as always in our next one.